Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from CIYOYO. It's their 3-in-1 wireless charging station, and what this allows you to do is charge your phone, your watch, and your earbuds all in one setup. It's primarily designed for iPhone, but I will work with Android devices, as I will show you in the review, because I have Android devices. So that's what I'll be demoing this review on. Now you can pick this up on Amazon at the time of this review for $38, and I'll have that link in the description below. Let's dig into this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at the boxing here and show you exactly what you guys are going to get. You can get it in white or you can get it in black. You can see they've got a bump up top for your Apple Watch, in the back there for your AirPods or your Galaxy Buds. I'm going to be testing with Galaxy Buds today. And of course the front will support your phone. And they do recommend a few different things as far as charging, but luckily they also include a charger. You can see that watch output is 3 watts for an Apple Watch. I could not get my Galaxy Watch to work with this, so it is specifically designed for the Apple Watch. Just as a side note. Now, as we unbox this, you're going to get a charging cable, you're going to get the stand and the charger itself, and then of course a little bit of documentation here. We're not going to spend too much time on the documentation, but it is written all in English. The print is pretty small, so you may have a hard time reading that. It is self-explanatory. Shows you how to set everything up. They do say that they suggest you use an 18-watt, 9-volt, 2-amp adapter. Now, luckily for us, they do include an adapter with this, but I'll get to that in just a second. Now, our charging cable is a USB standard to USB Type-C, and it is a fairly long cable, which is very, very nice. So if you need to position this in a certain spot on your desk, you're at least going to have a cable long enough to do that. Now they've got a standard wall adapter here. This is, and I don't know if you guys can see it, it is a 12-watt wall adapter, up to 2 amps I believe, and that is going to do our super fast charging for the Galaxy phone that I have, and it's also going to do that fast wireless charging for your iPhone. So they do include that, and that's awesome. Now, taking a look at the stand itself, it's a fixed stand, which means you can't change the angle. You can see there that it is rigid, sits no problem on the desk there. It has that bump at the top for your Apple Watch. On the back, you're also going to be able to place your earbuds, your wireless earbuds for charging. I am going to test with the Galaxy Buds, and it's got a nice kind of soft rubber matte finish on it, and it's got a really good grip on the bottom, so wherever you have this, it's going to stay. Now, there's some LED lights in the front underneath where you'll put your phone, and there are 3 of them, one for the watch, one for the back, and of course one for the front with your phone. So let's get this hooked up. I'll show you guys what I tested out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got the power brick that they supplied plugged into the back via USB Type-C, as they do supply that as well, and then you're all set and ready to go. So you won't see any LEDs until you actually put something on the device to charge. You can see the middle green light at the bottom came up, and I am fast wireless charging, and I'm also fast wirelessly charging through a case. And this case I like to use because it's got a metal kickstand on the back of it, so sometimes that gets in the way. And as you can see, we've got 2 different spots here to put our other devices. So I'm going to use Galaxy Buds here, and the Galaxy Buds, you can see that the red light comes on, and I'm charging my Galaxy Buds, so they work just fine, no problems whatsoever. So if you have your AirPods, you're going to be able to put those back there. Now I have a Galaxy Watch 3 that will not charge on this, but I'll put it on just to kind of show you what everything will look like when it's all hooked up. And again, no problems even with that metal on the back of my case, so it's definitely case friendly for the phone side. Let's take a look at the watch side as well, and we'll hook up all 3 so you can kind of see how it keeps everything in line. And of course, I'm not going to really be able to charge this with the Galaxy Watch, but that's exactly how you'll have your watch set up there. No problems whatsoever with that. And it really does group everything together, which is actually pretty cool. So once you have everything hooked up and together, you can charge all three at the same time, and it keeps everything kind of in this slimline setup here. As you can see, when I turn it to the front, you won't even really see the watch or the buds. You'll just see your setup here, and you'll be good to go. So it does keep everything in line and set up on your desk, and it will allow you to charge everything all at once with the included power brick. So they did a really nice job on keeping this stand in a nice compact package that will allow you to charge all three devices. So that's my review of the CIYOYO 3-in-1 wireless charging station. If you're in the Android ecosystem, it's still going to be able to charge your phone at super fast wireless speeds. You're still going to be able to use that back area to charge your buds if you want to charge your buds. You're just going to have to forgo the watch portion of it if you're using a Galaxy Watch. If not, and you're using an Apple Watch and you're in the iPhone or Apple ecosystem, this is a great stand that's going to charge all three of your devices in a slim package. They provide everything that you need with the stand, including the AC to power adapter that's going to allow you to get those super fast wireless charging speeds as well. Overall, I think CIYOYO has a nice package here for $38 at the time of this review. I'm definitely going to give this one a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.